What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney and today we're going to show you how to use an emitter cup to protect the inside of a valve. Let's get started. For simplicity, we're going to be using a stainless steel flange because we do not have a valve on hand, but the process is still the same. Now, before you protect any equipment, make sure it is clean and free of any debris or oils. Here is the emitter cup we will be using today. This is a Cortec VPCI 105 emitter cup. In this case, 105 represents its ability to provide 5 cubic feet of void space protection. We're going to start by peeling the backing off the emitter cup and setting it aside. Next, we take our flange dot and remove the backing as well. Now, all you have to do is stick the emitter cup onto the adhesive side of the flange dot. And then you take the flange dot and stick it onto a clean flange face. And this is what the inside of your valve would look like. And now your equipment will be protected for up to 2 years. One major benefit of sticking this to our flange dot is that the emitter will not get left behind when the valve is ready to be used. Alright guys, that's it. Make sure when you're in the field applying these, you're following all HSE safety guidelines. See you next week!